Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my process of painting a kingfisher bird in watercolor. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable and let's get creative. I'm starting with a loose sketch and later I'll be adding color. Usually I apply a layer of light wash as the base layer, then build another layer and then add the details and create a depth. In today's artwork, I'm going to take it zone wise. First I'm going to detail up one area, then move on to another and so on. So focusing on one area at a time and maintaining attention to detail. I'll be using wet on wet technique to blend the different shades of blues and greens at different stages in this painting. I'll also be using wet on dry to add texture to the feathers, so keep watching as I enhance the different parts of the painting bit by bit. Please write down in the comments which is your favorite bird which you would like to paint or which you would like to watch me paint. I'm really hoping that you are also painting along as you watch me paint. So this way, the top of my kingfisher's majestic head is almost complete. The eye is a crucial zone. Now this is what will bring our kingfisher to life. So I'll use a small brush and some masking fluid to create a dot for the focal point. Now I'm moving on to the beak, adding subtle textures to give it a realistic look. Now let's move on to the body. I'll be adding different light and dark shades of blues and blacks and let them blend on its own. The key is to let the colors merge naturally. Feather by feather, I'll be adding all the intricate details to capture the kingfisher's dynamic movement. Notice how the brush strokes can convey energy and motion. For the background, I'll use a gentle wash to suggest the kingfisher's natural habitat, maybe a hint of green or foliage. The goal is to keep it soft and subtle, letting the bird be the focal point. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint this kingfisher. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, bye bye.